trying to gaslight us and shit. It's like the show after they kill our dogs and shit. Tell these bitches I'm fucking hurt. To keep the hoes in my house and fuck. This motherfucker. This really motherfucking tired of my face. Since I let it go and shit, this is over. But they all get me. I think I just enjoy that way. And this is fucking insane. Feeling like myself. It's my thing. Typical. Anything fucking turns off, it's always fucking spinal black shit. And neighborhood watch, my ass, racist motherfuckers. I thought I do some dope, I just steal a video.